This boring chopped salad gets cleaned out first. I'll show you a simple ring mold trick that makes it look like you actually tried. I boil the potatoes, carrots, and celery root with the skins on. It keeps the flavor in. On the side, I hard boil the eggs. Once they're cool, I peel everything. Cutting is way easier when it's chilled. I dice the carrots small and add them to a bowl. Then I dice the parsnip or parsley root, whatever you can find, and add it in. Next goes diced celery root for that classic savory base. I dice the potatoes and add them. They make the salad filling and creamy. I chop the eggs and add them in. Instant softness and richness. I peel and dice an apple. It brightens everything and cuts through the dressing. I finely chop onion and add it, or swap for a mild green onion if you prefer. I dice pickles and add them. That tangy bite makes the whole salad pop. In goes peas for color and a little sweetness. I season with salt and pepper to taste. I mix in the dressing. For a lighter, lower carb feel, I do mostly Greek yogurt with a little mayo. Save this, because the plating trick is next. It turns a simple bowl into a centerpiece. I place a round ring mold on a plate and set a small jar in the middle to form a neat circle. I pack the salad into the ring and gently press it down so it holds its shape. I finish with chopped parsley and egg wedges, simple but clean. And done! Creamy chopped veggie salad with a fresh tang, ready to serve. Thanks for cooking with me. If you like quick, no-fuss salads, subscribe for more.